Okay, so we're unboxing Bargain Depot's high sensitivity stylus. I ordered these from Amazon.com. You can see on here B&D. It's on every one of them. Bargain Depot. B&D. Okay, we're going to open this up. It's a little difficult to do with one hand. But you notice, I want to comment on this. This is a nice little zipper pouch that it comes in. Everything's neat and orderly. Look at that. It's all enclosed, neat and orderly. You got your specifications here. Your compatibility, your tablet, your smartphone. So let's see, tablet would be Kindle Fire HD, Kindle, Voyage, iPad, iPad Mini 4, iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab A, S3, 4, 5, and all other tablets. Your smartphones, it says all other smartphones. So you got all these and all other smartphones. So pretty much it works on pretty much all of it. It says using the latest technology, the stylus is responsive as your fingers and protects your screen from scratch and allows you to type accurately and comfortably. So let's open these up. Try to make it as quick as possible. Again, you got your nice little zipper pouch, and it looks like, yep, they are. Okay, these are individually wrapped. These little pens are individually wrapped. So you'll have to take off the plastic. Okay, there's the little plastic. This is what they actually look like, and they're really light feeling. You know, they're not a heavy. Why is it spinning? Oh, okay. So they're not really a heavy. They're not really a heavy pen. It's really light. This is the size. My hand is a really small hand. I'm an artist, so my hands are really small. This, I would say, this is about 6 inches. It's about 6 inches. And at the tip here, let me see if I can get this in focus. You can see the tip, it's got the microfiber right there. You don't want to touch them too much because the oils on your skin will get on them. But you can see there, it's the microfiber tip. Really responsive to the touch. You can see this is the smaller version. I have the larger ones. But this is the smaller version. It looks, you know, it's more like a pen. So you can see that, right, it's more like a pen. This here, let me see if you can unscrew the cap. Okay, so you unscrew the cap, and there's another one on the other end. The question is why? Why is this on the other end? Is this just a spare? No, it looks like this is just a double-sided thing. Doesn't seem like it wants to come off. Hold on a second. I'm sorry about the shaky video. I'm trying to figure this out. No, it doesn't come off. So we'll put this back on, and it just screws on there. And you want to keep, oh, this thing just keeps screwing, doesn't it? Okay, so there's a little awkwardness there. This is pretty sturdy, so it wouldn't break when you put it on in your pocket. This is pretty sturdy. But the pen lid, it's kind of loose. I mean, you can see it just keeps screwing. I don't necessarily like that about it, but it's really light. You get a pack of 4 in this particular one, and it looks like you even get some spares here. Looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 spares. So you get 8 spares. Let's take a look at the spares. Hold on a second. Let's empty these out in the package. And again, these are individually wrapped. Oh, it looks like it comes with instructions as well. That's good. A lot of these things don't come with instructions. Okay, so there's 2 little bags. 2 little plastic Ziploc bags. And these look like a rubber. Let me see if I can get one out of here. Hold on a second. Forgive the video going black there for a second. I'm trying to bring out one of these tips so that y'all can see it. Okay, so we got a tip here. This is one of the replacement tips. You can see how small it is between my fingers there, and you see it's got the rubber inside. I don't like touching these things, but for the sake of showing y'all, this is the tip, and it's got the mesh and it's got the rubber, so I think they just go right on. Now, I don't want to destroy this thing trying to find out. Okay, so I'm not going to break this to find out, but I think if you ever have to replace the tip, you just put them on. Again, they come with the instructions. You'll see here how to open the cap and change the tips. So I guess I probably should have done that first, huh? Screw up the silver caps to change the fiber tip. Pull the cap to open. Please don't screw it. Oh, whoops. Pull it to open, not screw it. My bad. Okay, no, that's not true, because when I try to pull this, it's not coming off. See? I'm trying to pull it and it's not working. So this thing is a screw on. There's little threads in there. See that? There's little threads in there. So I don't know what they're talking about here, where it says pull the cap to open, don't screw the cap. This obviously has threads right there. There's threads right here. Let me see if I can show you that. There's threads right there on the tip. So you definitely don't want to pull this thing. You want to screw the cap on there. So here's the instructions. Okay, and then you get this little card here from B&D Bargain Depot. It says thank you for your purchase. Pull everything out of the package and double check the product. Okay, and then customer service within 30 days of the item arrival. Please email us below the address with your order ID to initiate your 12-month warranty and lifetime support. So you want to make sure you do that. It says within 30 days of the item arrival, please email us below the address with your order ID to initiate your 12-month warranty. So this has a 12-month warranty on it. Lifetime support. If you need assistance or there's a problem with the product, you can also contact us below. And then it gives several emails. So there you go. And that's pretty much sums it up. That's pretty much it. You know, here's total product right here. So, yeah. All in all, seems to be a pretty good product. Haven't used them yet, but seems to be pretty good. So, I'll check back and maybe we'll do another video demonstrating how effective they are. Thanks for watching.